In a highly anticipated matchup, Consadole Sapporo is set to face off against Vissel Kobe on July 13, 2024. Both teams have been gearing up for this clash, aiming to secure crucial points in their respective league standings. Consadole Sapporo, currently in strong form, will be looking to capitalize on home advantage at the Sapporo Dome. Managed by Takuma Asano, Consadole boasts a solid defensive record this season, having conceded only a few goals in recent matches. With a tactical approach that emphasizes quick transitions and solid set-piece execution, Consadole aims to dominate midfield possession and exploit gaps in Vissel Kobe's defense. On the other hand, Vissel Kobe, led by manager Daiki Takamatsu, arrives with a potent attacking lineup spearheaded by Brazilian striker Gabriel Barbosa. Known for their aggressive pressing and swift counterattacks, Vissel Kobe poses a significant threat to Consadole's defensive stability. The team has been working on improving their defensive shape to withstand Consadole's offensive onslaught. Key players to watch include Consadole's midfield maestro Yusuke Shirai, whose creative playmaking abilities often dictate the tempo of the game. Alongside him, forward Hiroto Yamada's clinical finishing could prove decisive in converting scoring opportunities. For Vissel Kobe, the dynamic duo of Gabriel Barbosa and midfielder Ryota Oshima will be pivotal in breaking down Consadole's resilient defense. In terms of recent form, Consadole Sapporo has enjoyed a series of victories, instilling confidence and momentum within the squad. Vissel Kobe, meanwhile, has been inconsistent but remains a formidable force on their day. Prediction-wise, this match promises to be closely contested, with both teams eager to claim all 3 points. Given Consadole Sapporo's strong home form and Vissel Kobe's firepower in attack, a score draw or a narrow victory for the home team seems plausible. As the countdown to kickoff begins, football fans around the globe eagerly await what is sure to be a thrilling encounter between Consadole Sapporo and Vissel Kobe. Stay tuned for live updates and comprehensive coverage of this exciting match.